Hey guys, we're here today, social distancing, in quarantine, whatever you will, doing the best we can to make content for you guys. So today, we're replacing the battery on both our key fobs. But not only is my wife joining me, say hey.
Hi.
This is actually a race. This is another episode of How Hard Could It Be? So both of us have no idea how to do this, and we've kind of assumed what tools we'll need, but we're actually going to be competing against each other to see who can get it done first.
They also kind of need to be done. They've stopped working a little.
And we really can't get outside anyway, so gotta do what you gotta do, right? All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hands off the table. Hands off the table. On your mark. Get set. Go. you went early. Oh, God. No, it's not coming off. Nope. Okay, fine. Oh, you already... No. Cheater. Cheater. I can't even...
I have a confession.
What is it?
I Googled how to do it before. Because I didn't want to look stupid. This is his like actual reaction because I really didn't. I didn't tell him. I Googled it because
Really?
I didn't want to be stupid. The key is there's this little like indentation in the key, and that's where you need to pop it. Here, I'll show this camera. You have to pop it and this indentation open, and that's how you get it open.
So...
This might be
There
the
it
shortest
is.
video ever. But no, I did. I Googled it.
No, that's okay.
I found a tutorial.
I mean, that's why they're out there. This isn't a tutorial, so...
Yeah, so I did cheat. Not only did I grab the batteries, I Googled it beforehand.
Yeah, she kind of grabbed the batteries. What are you going to do? Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
I did Google it beforehand because I didn't want to look stupid.
I know. That's why I was just like, I honestly don't know. I was kind of looking at it and like, I guess it's this. I don't know. I'm glad we got the right battery though, because there was no key that actually like looked like this on any of the descriptions I was trying to find without actually finding a how to replace it video because I didn't want to watch one.